Hello there! Welcome to English Story Cottage. This is a place where you can learn English through simple and enjoyable stories.
Today, we're going to the supermarket together as a family.
So, relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English with our family. Breakfast is ready! John, Sophia, please come to the table.
I'm coming, Mom.
Just a moment, Emma. I'm washing my hands.
Okay, the food will be warm and ready.
Mom, the breakfast smells really good.
Thank you, Sophia. Today we're having eggs, toast, and milk.
That sounds great. I'm really hungry this morning.
Please eat well. We have a busy day ahead.
Are we going somewhere today?
Yes, Sophia. After breakfast, we are going shopping together.
Really? Family shopping?
Yes. We need to buy food and some daily items.
That's right. The fridge is almost empty.
Can I come with you?
Of course. We will go together as a family.
Yay! I like going to the supermarket.
Then let's finish breakfast and get ready.
All right, let's make a shopping list before we leave.
Good idea. What do we need today?
We need rice, vegetables, fruits, milk, and some bread.
Can we buy apples and bananas?
Yes, Sophia. Fruits are good for you.
I think we also need eggs and cooking oil.
You are right. Let me add them to the list.
Mom, can we buy some snacks too?
Maybe just one small snack, Sophia.
Okay, thank you.
All right, everyone. Let's go.
Sophia, are you ready to go?
Yes, Mom. I'm ready.
Get in the car. I'll drive.
Please sit properly and wear your seatbelt, Sophia.
Okay, Mom. I'm buckled in.
Good. Safety first.
The weather is really nice today.
Yes, the sky is clear and it feels pleasant.
Dad, which supermarket are we going to?
We're going to the supermarket near the park.
Oh, I like that one. It's my favorite supermarket.
We'll finish shopping quickly and come back home.
Dad, how long will it take to get there?
It will take about 10 minutes.
That's not very long, so we will arrive soon.
Yes, you are right. We will be there very soon. Here we are. We have arrived at the supermarket.
Wow, it looks big.
Yes, it is. Let's take a shopping cart first. Can I help push the cart?
Yes, you can, but please push it slowly and carefully.
Okay, Dad, I'll be careful.
Thank you, Sophia. You're helping us a lot.
I like helping you. Let's start with fruits and vegetables. We need fresh food today.
Okay, Mom, I'm ready.
Look at these apples. They look fresh.
Let's buy a few.
Can I put them in the shopping cart?
Yes, please.
1,
That's it.
2, 3,
Good job.
4.
All done. Perfect. Now let's get some bananas.
I like bananas. They are sweet.
Bananas are also healthy. We need carrots, tomatoes, and onions too.
Mom, I like this section. It smells nice.
Yes, it does. Fresh vegetables always smell good. Now we're in the bread section.
Which bread should we buy?
Let's get whole wheat bread.
Can we buy milk?
Yes, we need milk for breakfast.
1 bottle or 2? How much do you think we need?
Let's buy 2.
The bottles are cold.
Yes, they are kept fresh.
We still need eggs and cooking oil.
Here are the eggs. I'll be careful.
Please don't drop them, Dad.
I won't, don't worry.
Let's choose a small bottle of cooking oil.
All right, that sounds good.
Mom, can I choose my snack now?
Yes, but only one.
Okay, I'll choose carefully.
Shopping together is nice.
Yes, it's good to spend time as a family.
I like helping you both.
You're doing a great job, Sophia.
Thank you, Mom.
I think we have everything now.
Yes, let's go to the cashier.
The cart is full.
Please help us put the items on the counter, Sophia. Hello, that will be $20.
Here you go. Let's put the groceries in the car.
We bought a lot today.
You did a great job helping at the supermarket.
Thank you. I liked choosing the fruits.
When we get home, you can rest well, Sophia.
We're home now. Let's take the groceries inside.
I'll help bring the bags inside. Family shopping is a simple part of daily life, but it's always special when we do it together.
We talk, help each other, and enjoy our time as a family.
Thank you for listening to today's story. We hope this story helped improve your English and made learning enjoyable.
Please share in the comments who you usually go shopping with.
Like this video and subscribe for more simple English stories. See you in the next story.
Bye.